Hello, everyone. This is Brian Kuzdas from S2A Modular. I'm the CEO and co-founder. Welcome back to this series. Today, we're going to be talking about advantage number 2 in building a modular product. It's price. First of all, I guess maybe I should flip this back to you and ask you, why do you think it's less expensive to build a modular product? It's the same product you're building outdoors. You're taking a traditional stick-built home and you're bringing it in indoors. It's the same code, same standards, same materials, same kitchen cabinet, same labor, same everything. Why would it be less expensive? Well, if you said factory efficiencies, assembly line processes, less waste, yes, they all add up. You can build the same 100 homes outdoors, bring them indoors, you can get about a 10 to 20% savings. That's a big deal. Let's say I don't know, you're a lovely couple in San Jose, California, you're looking to build $1 million home here in the Bay Area. You save them 15, 20% on that home, that's $200,000. How about the developer listening in that you're looking to build 50 homes, right? You're a subdivision of homes, or maybe 4 or 500 apartments. You save them 10 to 20%. It could be the difference from doing the deal or not doing the deal. And on top of that, just think of this. What about the financing interest that's saved month after month? You're able to get that apartment building complex up in maybe 9 months versus 2, 3 years outdoors. That's a huge savings on finance interest. And you're now able to rent out that apartment building in 9 months and you're on to your next project, time value of money. So these are some of the main reasons why it's a huge advantage to build on the modular side from the price standpoint. Hope you enjoyed this little segment and you're on to the next video, which is really all about why the actual modules are built stronger. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.